Welcome to day one of the Sleep Reset course. This is the inner architecture of your mind. A warm welcome to this sacred journey of abundance through awareness. Before we manifest money or opportunities, we must understand the instruments that creates its all in our mind. Our mind functions at two levels, the conscious and the subconscious. The conscious is the logical, it's the voice that plans, analyzes, and worries, and the subconscious is emotional and creative. It's a silent force that accepts whatever conscious repeats and quietly turns it into reality. Think of the subconscious as a fertile soil of your life. Every thought, belief, and feeling you repeat through your conscious mind becomes a seed. The real universe waters that seed and your life becomes its harvest. If you plant the thoughts like money is tight, I don't deserve wealth or opportunities, never come my way, your subconscious receives it as a truth and creates conditions to match it. It's always a match the column of your frequency. If you begin to plant new thoughts like I am aligned with the infinite abundance, money is energy and I flow in it, the universe supports my prosperity, the subconscious accepts those that work tirelessly to make this real. The subconscious mind holds nearly 90% of our mental power. It constantly connects you with the universal fields of intelligence, what yogic philosophy calls it the space of infinite potential. Whatever seeds you plant there with belief and emotion, it draws energy and opportunity from the universe to make it grow, blossom, flower. So if you wish to create financial abundance, plant aligned seeds of thoughts rooted in gratitude, purpose, and possibility. Remember, your subconscious doesn't argue. It just simply believes in you. It simply grows what you give it as an energy instruction. In this chapter, let us reflect, observe our recurring money thoughts. What are rooted in scarcity, which is in faith, let's observe them and begin replacing the ones that limit you with affirmation, releasing those beliefs block. Friends, your mind is your garden. Prosperity is not found outside, it grows within. Welcome to day one, the part 2 of Sleep Reset. Sleep is the gateway of abundance, and tonight, right now, we are exploring how you can reprogram your subconscious mind for abundance using the power of sleep. While you rest, your thinking mind, the conscious mind, flows and eventually, but your subconscious mind never stays awake, aware and act, quietly running your heartbeat, your breath, your digestion, and you're even shaping your reality while you are asleep. That's why sleep is one of the most powerful times to plant your intent, because when the conscious mind is silent, the subconscious becomes more receptive. It's like the gates to your inner world open, waiting to receive your instruction. Your subconscious mind doesn't judge. It doesn't challenge you. It doesn't question. It doesn't know the difference between the real and the unreal. Like you creating your thoughts when you go to sleep. I don't have enough money, or things never work out for me. Or your subconscious will take those thoughts and commands which just you created, and then it will start attracting those experiences and evidences to confirm your belief. But if you go to sleep thinking, I'm open to receive abundance, I trust that money flows easily in my life, then those vibrations become your energetic signatures, reality. And the subconscious starts arranging events, ideas, people that match your frequency. This is the essence of sleep hypnosis, and it's very similar to the ancient yogis, what they called yoga nidra, the conscious sleep. It moves, takes your body deeply to rest, but your awareness remains open with an intention. So now whenever you go to sleep, I want to tell you something very powerful, like quietly, with like either like intending, closing your eyes, your intentions. I'm attracting all possibilities for my financial growth. I am ready to receive money with ease, or I'm healing all resistances of abundance. If you're not able to visualize it, feel it, you you can start with journaling and putting that paper under your pillow while you lie down, and then start slowing down your breath and then visualizing it. This will support you. Feel the relaxation in your mat. Your mattress is a space making you calm. You feel safe. So say it slowly. It's not urgent. Say it slowly. I'm open to receive abundance. I allow prosperity to flow to me. Repeat it a few times and then let go. Let your conscious mind rest. Your subconscious mind will take over now, as it knows exactly what to do. Every cell in your body will listen to you. Every vibration you release becomes a part of your field of magnetism. And throughout the night, your subconscious will start to align your energy with abundance that you just invite. As Thomas Edison once said, never go to sleep without a request to your subconscious mind. He knew the secret. So tonight when you sleep, your request is simple: to align your energy with ease, with prosperity, with trust in the flow of life. Now breathe and surrender. You have planted a seed. The universe will water it while you sleep. Good night, my dear friends, and may your subconscious work in harmony with your highest best, with your highest abundance.